Hey guys, welcome to Biz Builders, your go-to source for everything business formation and entrepreneurship. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start an LLC in Washington. Now I know what you're probably thinking. You've been meaning to start your LLC, but it just feels complicated, kind of expensive, and honestly maybe a little intimidating. And yeah, I totally get that. I used to think forming an LLC was this big legal maze that only lawyers could figure out. But what if I told you that you could realistically get your Washington LLC set up in about 10 minutes just by following a simple process? Like no drama, no confusion, no overthinking. Because let's be real, the whole thing feels overwhelming when you're staring at government websites that look like they haven't changed since the early 2000s. That's exactly why we put together this step-by-step guide. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to start your Washington LLC, why Washington is actually a really strong state for business, and how to get it done without unnecessary stress. Now, just real quick before we jump in, this video focuses specifically on Washington, but honestly, the overall structure is very similar in most states. So even if you're watching from somewhere else, you can still follow along and understand the process. And hey, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button so more entrepreneurs can find it. And subscribe if you want more straightforward business formation guides, and drop a comment below letting me know what state you're forming your LLC in. I actually read the comments and I love seeing where you guys are launching from. Also, quick mention before we dive deep, if you don't feel like dealing with the paperwork yourself, you can check out Tailor Brands using our exclusive discount link below. They'll handle your Washington LLC formation for you, make sure everything's filed correctly, and you'll get special savings using our link. But I'll explain more about that later. Alright, so let's talk about why you're here in the first place. You want protection. Maybe you're freelancing and worried about liability. Maybe you're starting an e-commerce brand. Maybe you just want to separate your personal finances from your business. And that's really what an LLC does. It creates this protective layer between you and your business. So if something goes wrong with the business, your house, your car, your personal bank account, those things aren't automatically on the line. It's basically a legal safety net. And honestly, once you understand that, forming an LLC just makes sense. Now let's talk about Washington specifically, because there are actually some strong advantages here. First of all, Washington does not have a personal state income tax. That's a big deal for a lot of entrepreneurs. Now, businesses are still subject to Washington's business and occupation tax, which is based on revenue, not profit. So that's something to understand. But overall, many business owners like the structure. The filing fee to form an LLC in Washington is $200 if you file online. It's pretty straightforward, and Washington processes filings relatively quickly. Location-wise, Washington is incredibly strong for certain industries. You've got Seattle, which is home to major tech companies like Amazon and Microsoft. There's a huge startup ecosystem. Aerospace, tech, e-commerce, logistics, even coffee and consumer brands thrive here. So yeah, if you're building something innovative, Washington can be a very strategic place to form your LLC. All right, let's break this down step by step, and you'll see it's honestly not that complicated. Step 1 is choosing your LLC name. It needs to be unique in Washington and include LLC or limited liability company. You can check name availability on the Washington Secretary of State website. And just as a tip, have a couple backup names ready because good ones go fast. Step 2 is appointing a registered agent. This needs to be someone with a physical Washington address who can receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. If you live in Washington, you can be your own registered agent. If not, you'll need to hire one. Step 3 is filing your certificate of formation with the Washington Secretary of State. You complete the online form, pay the $200 filing fee, and once it's approved, your LLC officially exists. Step 4 is getting your EIN from the IRS. This is free and takes about 5 minutes online. Think of it like a social security number for your business. You'll need it for taxes and opening a business bank account. Step 5 is creating an operating agreement. Washington doesn't require you to file it with the state, but it's extremely important for maintaining your liability protection. Step 6 is understanding ongoing requirements. Washington requires an annual report, and you'll need to stay on top of your business and occupation tax filings. Now, if you're thinking, okay, this sounds manageable, but I'd rather not mess anything up, let me quickly explain how Tailor Brands works. First, click our exclusive discount link in the description or pinned comment. That link automatically applies your savings. Once you're on the site, select Washington as your state, enter your desired business name. Their system instantly checks availability. Answer a few questions about your business, choose whether you want them to act as your registered agent. I usually recommend yes if you want privacy and peace of mind. Decide if you want them to obtain your EIN for you so you don't have to deal with the IRS paperwork. Choose your package, create your account, enter your details, review everything, and submit payment. That's it. They handle the filing with Washington, prepare your operating agreement, and make sure everything is submitted correctly. Washington LLCs are great for tech startups, e-commerce brands, consultants, online creators, service businesses, and logistics companies. If you're operating in the Pacific Northwest market or building something scalable, Washington gives you access to serious business infrastructure. Now look, you can absolutely do this yourself. The Washington Secretary of State website is actually pretty straightforward. But if you want the peace of mind of knowing it's done correctly the first time, using a formation service just makes it simpler. Honestly, the biggest mistake I see is people waiting. They overthink it, they research for months, and then when they finally file, they realize it wasn't nearly as complicated as they thought. If you're serious about starting your business in Washington, just get it done. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up so other entrepreneurs can find it too. Subscribe to Biz Builders for more practical business tips that actually make sense. And drop a comment below if you've got questions about forming an LLC in Washington, and I'll help you out. And if you want to skip the paperwork and get your Washington LLC started with professional help and exclusive savings, use our Tailor Brands discount link in the description or pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and here's to building your business the smart way. See you in the next video.